What is marketing?
What's marketing?
What is marketing?
It's how your business interacts with the world. This is me, this is my product, this is what we do, this is what we stand for.
Marketing is a necessary component of a growth economy. Because when the economy stops growing, it crashes. It's kind of like a bird that way. If it wants to stay up, it has to keep flapping its wings.
Marketing is the process or processes in order to identify with anticipation and satisfy the needs of the consumers.
Marketing is the face that you put on your entire business. It's how your business, again, interacts with the world.
As marketing is a powerful tool to kind of make money.
That's the art or the science, depending on who you ask, of getting more customers to spend more money more often. Sounds simple.
Define the prices that the consumer will pay for it. The third one is the election and selection of the channels of distribution that would make possible to bring all these products and services close to the consumer. And last but not least, communication. Communication, it's how to transmit our offer to our target. This part sometimes is the most important part of a budget of marketing.
What about stimulating demand? Well, there are kind of two ways that you can go about this, I suppose. The first way is to recognize something that people might want but have never had and develop it. This is the product development approach to marketing. For example, during the Ice Age, the man who invented fire might be characterized as a marketer. The second way to stimulate demand is that which fuels the growth economy as a whole. Simply put, you think up some type of product or service that you enjoy doing or think is cool and would like to make money providing, and then you convince people that they need it.